Hi guys, welcome to Run Deals. Today we're going to be reviewing this foil fringe curtain. It's for the 4th of July. It's really great. It comes with a 3-pack. So it's nice. You can do different scenarios. You can use them for props, for like photo booths, or like if you're decorating a table or a backdrop, you can use it as a backdrop like this. You can also put it on a doorway if you want to divide like a room, and people could just walk right through. But it's really cool, really nice, and it comes with 3 of them, so this you can make an extra long one. So really nice. Highly recommend it. It's definitely great for 4th of July, and any other American holiday that you want to use, like Flag Day, right? Or even as decoration for a birthday party. If you're doing like a red, white, and blue theme, or any party that you're doing a red, white, and blue theme, this is definitely great. So we highly recommend it, and we hope you enjoy. Bye. You can also visit Run Deals mobile app for even more deals.